Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. How you all? Hope you all good. So before going to start the class, you need to sit along with your maths textbook, notebook, and writing tools. Let's start the next topic of the first chapter of grade 6 mathematics. So, the Indian system of numeration. In the decimal number system or the Hindu Arabic number system, the value of a digit depends on its place in the numeral. So, students, you already learned that in your previous classes, place value chart. Yes, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, like this. So, here in this place chart, each place has a value 10 times that of the place to its right. From right, firstly we consider ones place, then after that tens place, after that hundreds place. So, for these places, each place has a value 10 times that of the place to its right. So here tens place. So tens place is 10 times that of ones place. So then hundreds place. Hundred place is 10 times that of tens place, like this. So to make it easy to read large numbers, digits of numbers are grouped into periods. Okay. To read large numbers, digits of numbers are grouped into periods. We make those digits into groups. So while writing the number, the groups are separated using commas. So students, let us discuss one example. Consider the number 78,625. So to read it, first write it in periods using the place value chart. So using the place value chart, we have to write these numbers in their places. It is a 5-digit number. Therefore, it can be grouped within the ones period and the thousands period. So here, this number is a 5-digit number. Yes. So that's why we should consider two periods. One is ones period and another one is thousands period. So again, in these periods, we have to make again three places. In ones period we make three places, in thousands period we make two places. So in ones period we again make it as ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So these three places are comes under ones period. Then in thousands period we should make two places. One is thousands place and another one is 10,000 place. So under this thousands period we should make two places. Okay, then the ones period contains ones, tens and hundreds. The thousands period contains thousands and 10,000s. The number can be read as 78,625. So it is written as 78,625. That means we should put comma after three digits, 5 to after 5 to 6. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place. After that we put comma and then again thousands place, 10,000 place. So 78,000 comma 625, like this. When writing a number in the Indian system going from right to left, the first comma is placed after the first three digits which constitute the ones period. Thereafter, commas are placed after every two digits. Okay. So next part is expanded notation. So students, you already know that how we have to write expanded form of numbers. So consider the number 24,625. Each digit in 24,625 has a specific place value. The number 24,625 has two 10,000s. We should write 2 in a 10,000s place, 4 in a thousands place, 6 in a hundreds place, 2 in a tens place and 5 in ones place. So Therefore, 24,625 can also be put in expanded notation as 20,000 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 5. A number written as the sum of the place value of its digits is said to be written in its expanded notation. So, we should write 2 in 10,000's place. So, 2 into 10,000. Then 4 in thousands place. So, 4 into 1000. 6 in hundreds place. So, that's why 6 into 100. 2 in tens place. So, 2 into 10. 5 in ones place. That's why 5 into 1. So, 2 into 10,000 means 20,000. 4 into 1000, 4,000. 6 into 100, 600. 2 into 10, 20. 5 into 1, 5. So, we can write this 24,625 in expanded notation as 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 5. So, this is the expanded notation of this number. So, next part is extension of the Indian place value chart. So, students, now if we extend the Indian place value chart, then we get again ones period, thousands period, after that lakhs period, crores period. So, let us look at the periods for bigger numbers in the Indian place value chart. So, this chart is mainly for bigger numbers, means for 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit and up to 9 digit numbers. So, in ones place again there are three places: ones, tens, hundreds. So, in thousands period there are two places: thousands place, 10,000s place. So, in lakhs period there are two places: lakhs place and then 10 lakhs place. Then in crores period again two places: crores place and then 10 crores place. So, this table shown that 6 and 7 digit numbers have lakhs, thousands and ones periods. So, if we consider 6 or 7 digit numbers, those numbers contain lakhs, thousands and ones periods. Okay. Then the 8 and 9 digit numbers have crores, lakhs, thousands and ones periods. So, let us see one example. The number given in the table is grouped as 53. We write here 53 in crores period and 29 in lakhs period, 63 in thousands period and 572 in ones period. So, we should read this number as 53 crore 29 lakh 63,572. So, this extended Indian place value chart helps us to read large numbers very easily. So, next topic is place value and face value. A numeral has one or more digits, each with a fixed position. So, now what is the meaning of face value? The face value of a digit is an actual value of the digit regardless of its position in the numeral. For example, if we consider an example 74, okay. So, in this the face value of 7 is 7 only. In this example, the face value of 7 is 7 only. Then what about place value? The place value of a digit is the product of its actual value and the value of its place in the numeral. So, here if we consider one example for place value, that is 7,805, the place value of 5 is 5 as it is in the ones place. So, 5 is in ones place, that's why place value of 5 is ones. So note, while the face value of a digit remains the same in any place in the numeral, its place value depends on its position in the numeral. So face value means itself. Face value means itself. It's itself the value. So it remains same in any place in the numeral. But place value depends on its position in the numeral. So place value of a digit is equal to face value of the digit into value of the place. The face value of 6 in both 60,78,897 and 9,12,650 is 6. The face value of both the numbers of 6 is 6 only, but its place value is 60 lakhs in 60 lakhs 78,897 and 600 in 9 lakh 12,650. Okay, so face value means itself value, but the place value is depends on its position. Let us look at the place value of 5 in the following numbers. So consider first in 7,805. The place value of 5 is 5 as it is in the ones place. Okay. Then in 9,87,051, the place value of 5 is 50 as it is in the tens place. So here 5 is the position of 5 is 10th place. It is lying in the 10th place. That's why its place value is 50. Then in 87,513, the place value of 5 is 500 as it is in the hundreds place, because 5 lying in hundreds place. That's why its place value is 500. So students, hope you all enjoyed the video. So we will meet again in next video with next topic. Thank you.